Welcome everyone. This is Richard from ProgrammingHead.com. In this video tutorial we're going to learn how to add an audio into an HTML document. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your code editor. Today I'll use Visual Studio Code. If you don't have that, then you can install it for free, or you can use any other text or code editor that's out there. Step 2. Create a folder. I like to organize my files in a folder, so I recommend you to create a folder first, but if you already have a folder, then you can also open it there. To create a folder, click Open Folder or New Folder. If you can't see this option over here, then click on File, Open Folder. In this pop-up window, you can pick a location, right-click, and create a folder. Give it a name, select the folder, and click the Select Folder button to open it inside VS Code. Step 3. Create an HTML file. In VS Code, to create a new file, you can click here or also on this New File icon. Give it a name followed by the .html extension. Now your new blank HTML file is ready. You can write HTML syntax to get started. Save your file. You can run it over the live server, but I recommend that you open the HTML file inside the web browser instead of running it over the live server, because the full audio path won't work with live servers. I recommend you to open File Explorer, find your project folder, double-click on your HTML or right-click, open with, select a browser from there. This will run your HTML file inside your web browser. Step 4. Using HTML audio tags. By using HTML audio tags, we can add audio elements to our HTML document. Inside the src attribute, we have to specify the source of our audio file. Step 5. Use controls attribute. When we use HTML audio tags, by default, you won't see anything as an output. For example, if I save my HTML file and refresh the browser, nothing is there. If you want to display HTML audio elements with some controls, then you need to use the controls attribute inside the audio starting tag. And you will be able to see some controls over there. The controls are there, but we can't play the audio yet. Step 6. Move the audio file to the folder. This step is optional because you can still use the audio files from other folders and directories. But having an HTML file and an audio file present at the same location makes your work less complex. To move an audio file into your project, you need to open File Explorer, find the audio file, and drag and drop it inside your project. You can also drop it into the project folder too. This is my project folder, and this is my audio file. Step 7. Provide the audio file's source. Because our audio file and HTML file are both present at the same location, we just have to use the file name and the file's extension as our source. But if your audio file is present somewhere else, for example inside the same folder but in a nested folder, like this, then make sure to use the nested folder name before the audio file name. If it's present outside or in a different directory, then you should use the full path. To get the full path of any file, open File Explorer, locate your audio file, right-click, Properties, and copy the full path from the Security tab. And make sure that you copy the full path from the drive name to the file extension. If you can't do that, then you can also drag and drop your audio file inside any web browser and copy the full path from the browser address bar. But our audio file and HTML file both are present at the same location. We don't have to give the full path, and just the audio file and the extension is enough. Save it and refresh the browser. Audio sample. Hey, thank you so much for visiting our website, programminghead.com. Still not working for you? Then we have two different things that you can try. First, go to this URL, programminghead.com/file-2-HTML. Drag and drop your audio file here. And download the zip file. Find the downloaded zip file. Right-click, Extract Files, this is the zipped folder, and this is the extracted folder. Open the extracted folder and run the HTML file. Your code should work now. Audio sample. Hey, thank you. Still not working? Then submit your code over programminghead.com/help, and I will check your code and suggest some changes to fix your code. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video and you want to see the future uploads, then please do subscribe to this channel. Thanks again and have a nice day.